What's going on, everybody, and welcome to Thursday. We got trade going on gold. 1 minute time frame. We're looking to the downside, similar play to last time. I'm kind of looking for a little one-to-one here. I'm risking a little bit more. I'm risking 1% of my account balance here, or the starting account balance, I'd rather say, since we're up a bit. But yeah, price ended up breaking and closing below the 13 EMA, and now we just have to wait and see what happens. There's nothing else that's really been going on, so I'll bring you guys back when something does happen. I'll see you guys soon. All right, guys, I'm back. I decided to close my position. We were going nicely into profit, and then price started to reverse. I did have my original stops above these highs right over here. I can just get my tool out, and then as I saw it approaching up there, I'm like, I'm just gonna exit my position and take a small loss so that I'm able to continue trading today. And that's exactly what I did. Nasdaq is setting up pretty nicely, although we're at a 1 minute demand zone, so I don't know how it will react off of that. There goes gold going back on down. I just saw it, reversing, and I'm like, I don't want to be a part of that. I don't want it to hit my full stop loss. In hindsight, maybe I should have held because price is doing this, but let's see. I mean, it hasn't really broken the 5 minute 13 EMA. It was just a 1 minute, so it wasn't a full-on confirmation, but I didn't want to be involved, Honestly, Nasdaq, if I was to have entered off the 13, it would have been this would have been just a very big stop loss that I don't want to be involved in. Gold is continuing to break down. Honestly, I'll bring you guys back when I decide to enter a trade or just call it a day. I'll be right back. All right, guys, final trade of the day. We're looking at some Nasdaq sells, breaking this 13 on the 1 minute, just for a small continuation, maybe to this 50 EMA, or it could pump on down. I have no idea. We were at gold. Gold has just been moving sideways. It did end up breaking down, but it came back up, and I just don't want to be involved. And then I was waiting for this Nasdaq play to happen where it broke, but we failed and we came back up. And then the second time it broke again, and the second time I'm gonna give it a sort of chance to see what happens. There's nothing else really going on. We just have to wait to see what Nasdaq does. So I will bring you guys. Oh, well, maybe the trade will end here. Actually, maybe it'll end here. Let's wait and see what happens. Now I'm gonna bring you guys back. This is boring. I'll bring you guys back when we hit stop. Anytime I want to try to end the recording, is this gonna happen live or I have to cut and come back? What's going on, Nasdaq? Gold still doing nothing. I don't even know what's gonna happen. Let's wait to see what happens. Okay, I'll cut it here, and then I'll bring you guys back. All right, guys, it is over. It is done for. We are done trading for today. Nasdaq did not want to push on down. It looks like he just wanted to continue this sort of uptrend up. It is what it is. We're still following our strategies and trying to make sure that we get what we can get out of it. But yeah, I was fully expecting this to break down, maybe have a little bit of a pullback. The 5 minutes has just been pushing on up, so it's kind of expecting like a bit of a pullback to continue to move to the upside, but I guess it just wants to continue going up, and there's nothing we can do. Gold, in hindsight, we would have won our trade trading off of here, get the right tool. Our 1-to-1 would have been hit, but I was looking for a little bit more of a 1-to-2, and this thing has just been playing sideways. It's kind of annoying. So it is what it is. We are down, I think, 1.5% today. Kind of went on a little bit of a tilt. It happens. It's just because I took a couple entries that I didn't mean to, and the losses were kind of adding up, as in I think my first official loss was not even official. It was just exiting this position, which was around $100 and something loss. And then I took a couple more entries that kind of started stacking up when I didn't feel confident to trade and exiting the position. And then finally this Nasdaq trade, which kind of hit my maximum daily loss limit, and my account is now blocked from trading, which I'm super happy that I set up, so I don't have to go even more full tilt and fully wipe my account. It is what it is. I will see you guys all tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.